Hey everybody, just wanted to go over something with you real quick. Just wanted to go over something that you will experience at some point in your sewing life. Upper tension problems or tension problems, period, with your machine. Now I wanted to show you on my machine because I'm currently having a tension problem that it's beyond my fixing, so I'm going to have to take my machine in for servicing, but I wanted to show you how it looks, how you could possibly fix it, and if it doesn't work, then you'll probably more than likely have to take your machine in for servicing. Okay, so if you are sewing and this is what your stitches look like at the bottom, this means that you have upper tension problems. So when you're sewing on a normal seam, your top thread, which mine is gray, it should stay on the top like that. And the bottom thread, which is your bobbin, which mine is like this peach color, it should stay on the bottom. So when you're sewing your top thread, which mine is gray, it's seeping through on the bottom, and that's a no-no. We shouldn't be seeing that. Your whatever color is in your bobbin, which mine is peach, that's the only thing that you should see on the bottom, and that's the only thing that you should see on the top. So when I see this, I know that I'm having upper tension problems. Some of the things that you can possibly do: clean your machine, change your thread, make sure you are using the same thread in your upper and in your lower, change your needle. Another thing would be is to rethread your machine. Now when you're rethreading your machine, make sure that when you're rethreading it, that you're holding your thread real firm, and you are taking it through your tension disc. This is your tension disc right here, right here. Make sure you're holding it firm and you're sliding it through, and sometimes you may want to hear a click. That's how you know that it's properly set in your tension disc up here. So you're taking it through your tension disc all the way down, then up through your take-up lever, then you're bringing it back down, and then you're threading it in your needle. Now normally when you are sewing and you have your presser foot in the up position, you should be able to pull your thread with ease. That's normal. However, when your presser foot is in the down position, you should not be able to pull thread through. See, with mine, again, I know that I'm having tension problems, so you see how I'm able to pull thread through? I can pull it through a little bit, but you normally can't, but I can. I know that I'm having tension problems, so that's a no-no. That's how you can know. That's how you know you're having upper tension problems. So just wanted to go through that with you all. Something that you can possibly fix on your own if you go through the steps that I told you to go through: rethreading your machine, cleaning it, changing your needle. Make sure that you are using the same upper thread as your bobbin thread. Also, what you can do is play around with your tension knobs and see what works best for you. Now for my machine, mine are automatically set based off of the type of fabric that I'm using. So I don't need to touch my tension dials. I just need to select the type of fabric that I'm sewing on, and my machine will automatically set my tension for me. So just wanted to go through that with you. If your thread is looking like this, all bunched up and ugly looking, which it's not supposed to look, go ahead and go through the steps that I showed you, or take your machine in for servicing. Thanks.